today is the day. We're going to be demoing the rest of this bathroom. I know we never finished it and we've been putting it off for a while, quite some time actually. But we just started working on other projects and this is going to be a task. We already know, but we've got a good portion of it done. We just need to finish it today. We're going to finish it today. Wade started working on it yesterday at the end of another project. Okay, you got it.
We used the last bit of energy we had to get a jump start for the next day.
I have already started cleaning up today. He's not here, but he should be here soon to help me finish with the project. But I'm gonna get started because we have set a goal for ourselves. Today is the day we're gonna get all of it ripped out.
I began removing the subfloor that Wade had worked on yesterday. He took care of the bulk of it, but there was still some left that I had to cut out. Most of it was rotted though, and I had to pull it out piece by piece due to its shredding. I wasn't sure how the shower base was attached, so I first attempted to cut the subfloor that was sticking out from underneath it, but when that didn't work, I tried knocking it loose with a sledgehammer. It worked for the most part, but it took some time, and I also couldn't seem to ever get it loose enough to pull out myself.
Oh no. I almost had it. I think it's the drain.
It is.
No,
It was.
There's ants everywhere.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. Big old hole down there.
Yep.
And it was rotted. Whew. Guess I'll have to do my second cleanup for the day.
Yeah.
The tub is out.
The tub is out.
Yes. Thankfully.
Thankfully.
Good to have you home.
It's good to be home.
I ended up taking a tiny little break, got overheated. About that time Wade walked in and the shower base was being pulled out right when I walked in here. So thank you to Wade and his muscles. Now he's here to help me. We got half of the dirty job done. Oh, and he brought some plywood in so we can actually walk on something other than the metal frame. And I think it's gonna make a heck of a difference. Look at it. Oh gosh. That was easy?
Yeah.
The only thing standing in my way was procrastination, basically.
Yeah.
Wow. That is nasty. Ooh, look at the bottom of that.
Once the cleanup was done, Wade took the grinder and removed all the remaining bolts from the frame. He also used the grinder on the old plumbing and got all of that out.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I took my time sanding the frame with the electric sander and bristle brush to ensure a nice smooth finish.
So I ended up finishing everything that I wanted to accomplish yesterday, besides spraying the Rust-Oleum on the frame. So everything is prepped and ready to go. I am basically losing daylight at this point, so I need to spray 2 coats on there, as we have already done with the rest of the frame. So it looks like I'll probably be doing a second coat in the dark, but it is what it is. And as you can see, we ended up pulling the rest of the metal off of the wall right there in the corner. It came all the way around right here, and it was very stubborn. And there is 2 giant holes where the drains were for both the toilet and the shower. So last night it was supposed to rain, but it ended up not raining, but it is definitely going to rain tomorrow. So until we can patch those holes up and get those all situated, the metal that we pulled off of the wall, we're just gonna place those, and they actually fit really nice and snug in both spots. So that is what I'm doing to protect from the water getting in any more than it possibly has to. So I did have to do a good scrubbing, put all of my body weight into getting this all sanded down with the bristle brush and the hand sander. But I think we did a good job, and it should take the Rust-Oleum really nice, just like the rest of the frame.
Even though it was still daylight outside, the inside of the camper had become too dark for even the first coat, so I ended up doing both layers in the dark, guided by just enough light from this lamp. Thank you guys for following along, and we will see you in the next one.